Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys this faucet for your bathtub. It's so nice. A brand sent me this to make a video over. I wish I could install it in my tub, but my tub, they ran the pipes up a wall. And it kind of like falls into the tub instead of being attached straight to the tub, which I wish it would because I would so put this on my tub. But I'm going to open this up and put it on the table for you guys. Has installation instructions. It's going to be just like any other faucet that you install. Cold, hot, put it together. This right here is going to be the extender hose thing. You can see from the picture how it's going to sit. Look how nice that is. Nice brushed black steel. Maybe aluminum. Not sure if it's steel. Check that out. This thing is like super heavy. And I don't know about you guys, but I equate how heavy a piece of metal is to the quality of the metal. Because if it's super heavy, that means it's super thick, which means there's, plenty of metal on the inside. This thing's probably like 10 pounds at least. It's super heavy. And this is going to sit on top of here just like that. So you can imagine if it was on your tub, it'd be super nice looking. I wish I could have this. And it's going to come with some hot and cold hoses for the install. A white glove. I swear all these installs come with a white glove for whatever reason. And of course, this gets installed like this. So this is how it would look in your tub. You'd be coming up off the tub. You'd have your little manual sprayer here. And then the hose would be coming from here to here. Be able to use the hose wherever you want. And this thing looks so nice. Look at that. And it would be so simple to install, but I have to reroute all the pipes in my tub. That's why I'm not showing you guys the install on mine, unfortunately. So this is what's going to change from this to this. And then we got the hot and the cold. So that's this faucet. If you want a nice brushed black steel faucet, like I said, this thing's crazy heavy, which to me says that it's quality. Obviously I haven't used it myself, but it's not, you pick a piece of metal up and it's light, you're going to know usually most of the time this is like titanium or something like that. It's not that great. This thing's super heavy. So I think it'll be good. It'll be good. Trust me. I've installed enough of these that this is much better than your average. Much better. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.